On August 10th, our country was hit by a powerful earthquake. Many lives were lost, thousands of buildings were damaged or destroyed, and aftershocks continue, making it unsafe for many families to return home. Countless families have lost their homes. Many communities are still without power. Communication systems are down, and damaged roads are making it difficult for emergency teams to reach those in need. People in these communities are searching for those who may still be trapped under the rubble, but they need tools and supplies to continue these rescue efforts. At the same time, thousands of families have lost everything. They need food, clean water, hygiene supplies, clothing, blankets, and a safe place to stay. With your kindness and generosity, we believe Colombia will recover and rebuild.